Hi, my name's Kira from Kira's Home Yoga. This is a manifestation meditation designed to be done first thing in the morning so that we set ourselves up for a day ahead. It's designed to be done when we're still in bed and before we check our news, social media, emails, etc. We can do that afterwards. We'll start today with 3 cleansing breaths. We'll inhale in through our nose, filling our belly up with air, and a long, slow exhale through our mouth. And again, inhale deeply, filling our belly up with air. Long, slow exhale through our mouth. And again, one more. Inhale through our nose. Exhale through our mouth. Before we manifest, we'll do a short body scan to connect with our body. We'll inhale vitality and energy into our feet, shins and calves. Exhale, feeling our feet, shins and calves heavy and relaxed. Inhale vitality and energy into our knees and thighs. Exhale, our knees and thighs are relaxed. Inhale vitality and energy into our hips and our belly. Exhale, feeling our hips and our belly relaxed and feeling heavy. Inhale vitality and energy into our chest and shoulders. Exhale all tension from our chest and our shoulders. Our chest and shoulders are relaxed. Inhale vitality and energy into our hands and arms. Exhale, our hands and our arms are relaxed. We'll inhale vitality and softness into our jaw. Exhale any tension we're holding in our jaw. We'll inhale vitality and energy behind our eyes. Exhale, we'll let go of any tension behind our eyes. Our eyes are relaxed. So let's get started with our manifesting. You can repeat the following after me, or you can just listen, whatever works for you. Today is a great day. Great things are coming my way. I am relaxed, open and non-resistant to whatever comes my way today. Today I will be 100% me. I will allow myself to make mistakes because that's how I learn. I am open to learning. I will support myself today and start living my life my way. I am the person I'm looking for. The person I wanted to be growing up. I will allow myself to feel childlike enthusiasm for the things I love. Today is a great day. I am worthy of all the things that I dreamed of. I believe in you. Today is a great day and great things are coming my way. I have a unique contribution to make in the world. It is safe to be me. Today I will surrender to what is. The time is now and I'm ready to work hard to live the life I want. I attract positive energy and positive people. I am excited about today. I am open to whatever comes my way today. As I know now that challenges are opportunities to learn. I am good enough. I don't have to be perfect, just good enough. Today I will take responsibility for myself and my own unique needs. I will nourish myself today and do what's right for me. I got this. Great things are coming my way. I attract happiness and joy. I trust that everything will happen in the perfect time. I trust in myself. I trust that who I am is making a difference in the world today. Today is a great day and great things are coming my way. And we're done. Julia Cameron tells us, pray to catch the bus, then run as fast as you can. That means that we got to do the work along with the manifestation. So let's get started on today. To finish up, we'll do another cleansing breath. We'll inhale, energy and vitality, filling up our belly with air. Long, slow exhale to release. I hope you enjoy this meditation and you feel excited about today and whatever today will bring. Please consider subscribing to Kira's Home Yoga for more meditations like this or gentle yoga videos. I upload a new video every Saturday to start the weekend connected to our body and our breath. Have a great day today. Namaste.